Hi, everyone. Okay, so I was hoping to actually do a live demo of this, but I'm just going to have to go with slides because my computer wasn't cooperating. I would like to demo a system called, just a prototype called Duct. It's basically decentralized message board based in part on or using in part PGP for authentication instead of using a centralized authentication system. But first, I want to go over like what problems I was trying to solve with this. So, in a traditional centralized message board-like system, like Facebook, Twitter, Friendster, you have a centralized account system. So all the accounts are stored on Facebook servers, including your login and your password, hopefully hashed password. And all your messages are also stored on Facebook servers, so you have very little control over how they're stored and how you can access them, and whether you can export them, copy them, delete them. Who knows what happens when you actually who knows what actually happens when you delete a message? And also, there's an accessibility issue which was touched upon by a couple of other presenters. And also, when Facebook dissolves, where is your content going to go? It's going to go away unless you take steps to back it up. So a better way is to use your own hardware, like maybe just a Raspberry Pi. It's totally enough for like 90% of users. Your own storage and a decentralized account system where you actually control your own account through PGP. You can also redistribute the content easily because it's based on open formats, mostly text files. And I was inspired by other open systems like email and Usenet, and well, 4chan has an really low friction posting process. So yeah, GPG is used for authentication. So you generate a key on your own computer, and you control the private key that allows you to post things as yourself. Are many people here familiar with how PGP works, or have you ever used it or generated a key for themselves? Anyone? Okay, it's a pretty straightforward process, really similar to registering for an account. And yeah, it takes place on your own device. And this is where I would demo GPG registration, GPG key generation process, but I'm not going to do that, even though GPG is installed on here. You can host it on any number of devices, including your own laptop, or if you want a dedicated device, it can be a Raspberry Pi. That's the device I've been testing on and targeting. Yeah, and everything is easy to distribute. You can distribute your content in a number of different ways through either Tor or regular hosting, or as a Wi-Fi captive portal, like we have in the exhibits. There's another captive portal in there, or just regular USB sticks. And it's designed so that you can basically zip the whole directory tree and unzip it on another server and maybe point the web server at the HTML root, and you're ready to go. Well, and set up a cron job to run the process. And I can do like a live demo of just not posting things, but this is basically what it looks like. I'm going to try to make it a little bigger. So to sign up, you basically go to this page and post your public key, which sets your username. And then if you want to post something as yourself, you only need to sign a message with PGP and post it again in the same text message box. And that's it. You get your own author page. This is where I was testing something, so that's the username. And you can still access the original text files that were posted in order to verify the PGP signatures yourself. So if you click the little .txt link, you can see the original public key that was posted, or you can see the original message with the signature on it. And I'm still working on threading and replies, but that's basically it. Here's an individual message. And you can also post anonymous messages by just typing something and posting it, and it will show up atop a page in a couple of minutes. That's really all I got for now. That's it.